Hello and welcome to this new video in which we will present to you the 7 reasons to absolutely have this plant in your garden, a plant with multiple benefits. Thyme is a true versatile gem, then get ready to dive into its magical universe. So watch this video until the end because the 7th reason is the best one. Let's embark on a captivating new botanical adventure. Reason number 1. This plant is a treasure of flavors. Thyme is much more than a simple aromatic plant. With its enchanting fragrance, it adds a touch of magic to all your dishes. Imagine the delicious taste of a roasted chicken with herbs from Provence, or the freshness of a summer salad sprinkled with fresh thyme. Thyme transforms every bite into an unforgettable taste experience. Reason number 2. It is an ally for your health. Thyme is full of beneficial properties for your health. It is rich in antioxidants, known for their benefits to the immune system. Moreover, thyme has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, ideal for relieving sore throats and respiratory infections. With thyme in your garden, you have a natural remedy at your fingertips. And if you already like the content of this video, start by liking it and subscribing to my channel so you can encourage me to make more and more content. Reason number 3. A resistant and easy-to-grow plant. Thyme is a resilient plant that adapts to many climates. Whether you have a sunny garden or an urban balcony, thyme thrives everywhere. It requires little maintenance and grows quickly. Moreover, its perennial nature allows it to come back every year, offering you a constant source of flavors and benefits. Reason number 4. An intoxicating fragrance. Thyme fills the air with its intoxicating fragrance. Imagine yourself walking in your garden, surrounded by this enchanting scent. Thyme brings a touch of freshness and serenity to your environment. Its soothing fragrance is also known to promote concentration and relaxation. Reason number 5. A versatile plant. Thyme is not limited to cooking and health. It is also used in cosmetics and aromatherapy. Its essential oils are prized for their soothing and regenerating properties. You can create your own relaxing massage oil, or add a few drops of thyme essential oil to your bath to enjoy its benefits. When you've finished watching this video, be sure to check out this other video showing how you can create a real natural pharmacy in your own garden. To watch it, simply click on the link in the description below. Reason number 6. A plant that beautifies your garden. Thyme is aesthetically pleasing with its small green leaves and violet, white, or pink flowers. It adds a touch of color and texture to your garden, creating an enchanting landscape. Whether you grow it in pots, borders, or flower beds, thyme is a real asset to make your garden attractive and irresistible. And finally, reason number 7. Thyme is a refuge for bees and butterflies. By growing thyme in your garden, you create a true paradise for bees and butterflies. Thyme flowers are a precious source of food for these essential pollinators. By supporting biodiversity, you contribute to preserving the balance of the ecosystem. And you? Tell me below in the comments of this video if you too have already added this wonderful plant to your garden and discovered all its benefits. I love you. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon in new plant adventures on my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye-bye.